The power sliding door can be opened and closed in a variety of ways. With the button located in the front row, you can open and close the second row door, or unlock the second row latch and then either pull the handle or press the button from inside the cabin. From outside the vehicle, you can open and close the door by pulling the handle, pressing the button, or by pressing and holding the Smart Key button. To open it hands-free, with the Smart Key in your possession, simply walk toward the vehicle, and it will flash the hazard warning lights and sound an alert twice before the door opens automatically. To cancel the function, just press any button on the Smart Key. Be sure to check your surroundings and make sure there is enough space around you before opening the door. Smart sliding door can be set in the infotainment system. When opening the second row door to exit, the vehicle scans for potential rear side collisions and, if one is detected, keeps the door closed and displays a warning in the cluster. Safe Exit Assist can be set in the infotainment system.
Kia, movement that inspires.